Hi, everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Inspiration and Information with Sneha. I'm so grateful, I'm so excited that I'm starting the first episode to this series with my mother. Her name is Geeta Narona, and she has been a teacher for 25 years in Delhi. She has also volunteered with the Cancer Support and De-Addiction Center and is an author of an amazing book. Welcome, Mama, and thank you for doing this for me.
Love you, Banu. Nice to join you on your first episode and new venture. All the best to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mama. So, today's theme I have chosen is gratitude. And we were discussing, and you always say that gratitude is magical, it just creates so many results in our lives. So, please share something with our community that you think would really help all of us create that magic in our lives.
Okay, Bunny, I just want to start this with a story. You know, in a desert, there will be a bird living on a tree, and the tree is dry, no leaves, no fruits, no water there, and it is very sick bird it was, and no feather also, nothing. It was not able to fly nor to, it couldn't chirp, nothing it could do, and it was waiting for somebody to come and help this bird. So suddenly, one angel was passing that side. And the bird was very happy to see, oh, somebody is coming near me. And angel also saw the bird and said, are in this desert, who is living? And it went near the tree and said, what are you doing here? And the bird was very happy. It says, you see, I was waiting for somebody. And I have no food. I can't even chirp. I can't even tell you what is happening. I'm very sick. And please help me. The angel says, I don't know how I can help you because I'm on the way to meet God to give the account. But let me see how I can help you. The bird says, please ask God to help me. God can do anything. So angel says, I don't know, bird, but still let me go find out. And the angel goes. And here bird is waiting very, eagerly that, he will bring some message. And now the angel has gone to God, and it requests. First thing, I don't want to forget God. Now there's a bird in the desert and it is suffering. It has no food. It is sick. So please do something. And God smiles and says, I can't do anything because even in 7 lives, it can't be all right because that is what it has asked for. But angel says, God, you can do anything. I can't go and say that you will be like this forever. Do something, please. Then God says, okay, you go and tell the bird to be thankful for everything. Let it say thank you for everything. But this angel came back and said, I don't know how it is going to help, but still let me tell the bird. And bird is really looking forward. And angel came and it says, see, I told God, but God says that you have to give gratitude. You have to say thank you, God, for everything. And I don't know how we are going to say. And angel left the place. Mm-hmm. And now the bird, it was not knowing what to do. But 7 days passed. And again the angel appeared. From far, the angel could see the greenery, some red small fruits. There's little water. And when it came near, it could hear also the chirping of the bird. And it is flying all around. And it was so happy and it was so destined to come and find out what happened. Excited. So when it came near the bird itself went to receive angel and said, oh, how nice to see you. We are back so soon. And angel says, within 7 days, what happened? How come you are so healthy, happy, and everything is there? Food is there, water is there, and the leaves are there, and your wings are fine, and you're chirping, you're moving around. And the bird says, thank you. And it says, thank you, God. What you came and told me, I started saying, thanks. See, I'm alive. Let me be grateful to God. Thank you, God, I'm alive. Thank you, God. Even I don't have feathers, but my body is there. Thank you, God, my one leg is there. Thank you, God, there is no water, but still I am alive. It kept on saying, thank you, thank you, thank you, God, for everything. And when the seventh day, even bird could not believe that, it has got everything. And angel though, it was surprised to see. So it was very happy. Within 7 days, this could happen. So the bird says, anything is possible because God has said to thank. So I'm so grateful. Today I have everything. I'm grateful. And I'm grateful to you, angel. Without you, I wouldn't have had all this. I'm grateful to God because God told me to give thanks. I'm grateful that for this
So
tree.
cute.
I'm
Yeah.
grateful for this fruits. For everything kept saying grateful. I'm thankful. And thank you, God. Thank you, God. So I really felt very nice and I feel very happy to share this story, Sneha.
Yeah, I
So,
think it is so apt, and even though it is fiction, I could just really visualize that bird and the power of gratitude to this, I mean, through the story. Really nice.
yeah,
And also, you were mentioning that one I have also seen when you used to go to the cancer pot and de-addiction center, it's through your stories you would talk to everybody there. So tell us a bit about, how gratitude was practiced at Can Support when you used to go there.
yeah, this is very nice, interesting thing, Sneha, because I myself can't believe,
Mhm.
once what happened, first time when I went, when I saw the people, they are suffering, they are operated on the neck, tube is there in the nose and everywhere, they are very sick. And cancer is, you know what it is. And the room is full of those people with different kinds of cancer. I was scared. I went and sat there and I thought how I can talk to them and what I can talk. That week passed, but then I got something that, I should tell them, give them the message, but I got this storytelling. When I got this grateful gratitude story, and first time I went and sat there, and I started narrating this story. I told them, see, every time you come here and you get everything, see, problem is there. You are sick. You want to be all right. You want the medications. You want the help from doctors. You want money. You want somebody to take care. Because Sneha, see, these are all from the villages, Bihar, Orissa, very poor people there, and this, see, we all are taking care. We are so protective about our people, but they patients also sleep outside near AIMS and all that.
Yeah, we are so
So it was
particular
very
about our
hard.
comforts and all that. Yeah.
Exactly. It's very difficult to tell them that you do this, you do that. But then, somehow I got that I could reach to heart, mind to mind by these stories. So I started telling them. And when I told them this story of a bird, and I said, see, how many of us, when the doctor treats you, do we say thanks to him? बहुत शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद डॉक्टर, आपने मेरा देखभाल किया. या आप इधर आते हो, आपको विग्स मिलता है, आपका बाल झड़ता है और आपको टैबलेट्स देते हैं, विग्स देते हैं, और वॉलंटियर्स घर पे खाना बना के लेके आते हैं आपके लिए, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट द फूड. When they come with
Cleanliness.
big patillas, big vessels, they bring food for them and not one kind. Pulav and, one raita and one fruit and one sweet. कितना सारा चीजें लेके आते हैं, लेकिन कभी आपने सोचा है कहाँ से आते हैं? लोग नौकरी पे, काम पे जाते हैं, काम के जाने से पहले आपका खाना बनाते हैं, फिर काम होते ही 1 बजे यहाँ आते हैं, then they will take care of you and they give you food, they make you laugh, they will give you medicines. So you don't know from where it comes from. So do you ever say thanks for it? See, it is like saying thank you to God. Thank you, God, you have brought me to this, Can Support. And these people are giving us medicines. Doctors are there here also to take care. And they bring us from bus, from hospital to the Can Support Center.
It is.
They send the bus and they bring whole lot, 50, 60 people together. And, they take care of them for everything. Do you thank? You just have to thank God because you can't चुन चुन के तो thanks शुक्रिया नहीं बोल सकते. लेकिन आप ईश्वर को शुक्रिया बोल सकते हैं इसलिए कि ईश्वर उस रूप में आते हैं, डॉक्टर के रूप में, वॉलंटियर के रूप में, खाने का रूप में, मेडिसिन का रूप में. और ये सारा चीज के लिए अपने थैंक यू बोलना है, कि शुक्रिया बोलना है, धन्यवाद बोलना है. तो तभी आप फायदा पाओगे, तभी आप देख पाओगे कि क्या हो रहा है आपका जिंदगी में, आप कैसे आगे बढ़ रहे हो, मेडिसिन आपको कैसे हेल्प कर रहा है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स व्हेन आई से ना, दे रियली, those are sitting at the back, slowly they come sit front and they will listen, and some will be crying. So once you know what happened after all the stories, different stories about forgiveness, about gratitude, about peace, about loving, so many things. But since I was talking about, gratitude, I was very particular that, I'm grateful that I got an opportunity to talk to them. So I was telling. So one lady, she came, I want to share something. She was young and she was strong with curly hair and all that. And after storytelling and after sharing, they also will come and share what happened in their life. So she was so happy. She said, ma'am, aap pehchante ki main kaun hu? I said, so many people are there, so maybe I know, but I might have forgotten your name or something like that. She said, ma'am, maybe 6 months or so, I was so thin. I had lost my hair, and I was coming here. I was not able to sit, and then I was shocked. आपने जो भी बोला, हमने वहां से शुरू किया शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद देने के लिए. और सिर्फ हॉस्पिटल के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ डॉक्टर के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ कैंसर सपोर्ट के लिए नहीं, मैम, मेरे बच्चों को भी कोई देखभाल करते हैं हमारा विलेज में, इनको भी. सो देते 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 मेरा ध्यान मेरा बीमारी से हट गया. एंड I have forgotten that I am having cancer, and I'm completely gratefulness, giving thanks to everybody. And through this, many people also were asking me how we are becoming so good. Even doctor asked me, कैसे आप इतना बदल गए जल्दी से. See, this is all, and I'm so grateful that कि God came, आपका रूप में भी आ गए कि हमको समझाने के लिए ये कितना लोग हमारा सेवा करते हैं, और हमारा ध्यान सिर्फ बीमारी के ऊपर था. So there I learned. See, I was thinking that how I was scared to talk to him because where I will hurt them. So I wanted to start with stories. But when they said the stories started giving them power, then I also felt, I was so grateful. God, you gave me that thought at that moment to share your love, peace, happiness with them. So that is how I started Sneha. So this giving thanks to God, saying thanks to people, I felt we should really be that gratefulness. I mean, that our being should be that.
Gratitude,
we are grateful, full of that.
True.
So this is, for me, it is very powerful. That's why I would like to share it with
Thank you. I mean,
everyone.
it is so beautiful, Mama, really. I mean, I could literally imagine, people cured. And I also remember you had told me some of them actually got cured, of course, by God's grace, by prayers. But we don't know how gratitude works, what is the science behind it, but it works. It's magical. And we have all witnessed in our lives. And through your talk, one thing I've again understood for myself is reframing gratitude at every situation. We are in a traffic jam. It's okay. We need to give gratitude for the ability to drive, for the car we have. If we are not well, we have a cold. It's okay. Reframe the situation and give gratitude that we have the ability to get medicines for ourselves, a family that cares, and we have a challenging situation. We have a fight with somebody. What is it that we have to learn out of that? What is the learning I'm receiving? So I'm not saying it's very easy to keep practicing gratitude, but awareness is what the tool is here. Somehow, if we can be consistent with gratitude, I think magic happens. And thank you for bringing it out so beautifully. I think I just hope everybody listening to this, it is going to create that difference, and just remind them. All of you must be giving gratitude, but yeah, it's just another reminder. Let's remind each other and do this. Yeah, Mama, tell me. Sorry.
Sneha, I really feel, see, in our family itself, how many times, so many things have happened, but together we always give gratitude. Like, before sleeping or during day, we play as a game, like 5 things today. We'll give the gratitude. I and Papa, when we walk also, while walking, we just see around for the trees, for the clear road, for everything, we keep giving gratitude. It is a game for us, but that's the truth.
Yeah, we
Everything is
can,
there.
very true. We can have fun with it. We don't have to be always sitting in a serious situation, closing our
Yeah,
eyes, joining our hands.
yeah,
We can, I
yeah.
mean, do it any way you are comfortable doing it, but do it. Give gratitude. And thank you. You've taught us that, and time and again, you've told me, Soumya, Dad, and I think I'm so grateful for all of this. And I'm so happy that the tone is set for the entire series. Gratitude is an amazing theme. So thank you so much for joining me in this conversation, Mama. And also I thank everybody who listened to our conversation. I really hope it's impacted you in the best way. Take care, all of you, and I will be back with another episode. Till then, bye bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.